Hey space fans, what an incredible night for SpaceX. They just pulled off a spectacular doubleheader, launching two Falcon 9 rockets from Florida's Space Coast less than 4 hours apart. If you love rocket launches, you were definitely in for a treat. The action kicked off on Friday night at 10:08 p.m. Eastern Time. A Falcon 9 rocket roared to life from the historic Pad 39A at NASA's Kennedy Space Center. On board, 29 of SpaceX's Starlink internet satellites ready to join the growing constellation. This was the 145th Falcon 9 mission of the year for SpaceX, which is just mind-blowing when you think about it. But they weren't done yet. Just a few hours later, at 1:44 a.m. Saturday morning, another Falcon 9 blasted off, this time from the neighboring Cape Canaveral Space Force Station. This second rocket was also carrying 29 Starlink satellites. The first stage of this rocket nailed its landing, touching down perfectly on the drone ship. Just read the instructions out in the Atlantic Ocean. It's a sight that never gets old. If everything goes as planned, those 29 Starlink spacecraft will be deployed into low Earth orbit about 65 minutes after liftoff. This second launch marked the 146th Falcon 9 mission of the year for the company. The pace is truly relentless. Over 100 of these flights in 2024 have been dedicated to building out the Starlink mega constellation. It's already the largest satellite network ever assembled, with more than 8,900 operational satellites currently in orbit, and that number just keeps climbing with every launch. Now, a gap of 3 hours and 36 minutes between launches is incredibly fast, but it's not actually a record for SpaceX. They've done it even quicker. Back on August 31st of this year, they launched two Falcon 9 missions just 65 minutes apart. One took off from Cape Canaveral in Florida, and the other lifted off from Vandenberg Space Force Base over in California. That's launching from opposite sides of the country in just over an hour. It really shows the incredible capability and efficiency SpaceX has achieved with its launch system. These rapid-fire launches are completely changing the game for accessing space. It allows them to deploy their Starlink network at a breathtaking speed, bringing high-speed internet to more and more places around the globe. Each successful launch and landing is another step forward in making spaceflight more routine and reusable. It's an exciting time to be following space exploration, with new milestones being set all the time. What do you think is next for SpaceX? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you want to keep up with all the latest space news and rocket launches, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. We'll see you in the next one.